Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to show you what I did with these sand dollars that I found when I went to Panama City Beach. A sand dollar is actually a sea creature. It's a sea urchin, but these are, of course, these are dead, and they're dried up, but they're very soft. They feel like ceramic, but it's like ceramic that could crack very easily. So what I decided to do, I wanted to make some jewelry with these, but I had to change their state. So I decided that I would put some resin on them. And at first I put UV resin on them, but I felt like if I put the two-part resin on them, it would make them more sturdy. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm applying the two-part resin, and it takes several hours to cure versus the UV resin, which cures in just a few minutes under a UV light or under natural sunlight. So anyway, these are the sand dollars that I had. I have these little tiny ones and these really big ones and some medium-sized ones. So after they cured, I decided that I was going to go ahead and paint them. I have this awesome gold paint that I wanted to put on here. Okay, so I'm going to do my design. I decided that I was going to use some 12 gauge aluminum wire in gold because it really matched this paint perfectly. So I'm going to cut a long piece to work on my pendant first. I'm cutting about 12 inches of wire, and this is going to be for me to wire wrap my pendant. What do you think? Is this something you would do? Is this something you would wear? I put it on my model so you could see how it would look if you wore it. I would wear it. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We have an e-course that we are going to be dropping in just a little while. So I would love it if you would sign up for my wait list for my e-course. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.